Have you ever received a message on WhatsApp that wasn't your native language? I will show you how to translate such messages quickly and easily. Watch until the end, it'll be worth it. First, make sure you have the Google Translate app installed. It's available in the App Store for iPhone and in the Google Play for Android. If you do not have it yet, download and install it. So anyways, launch the Google app Translate on your device, and afterwards go to the profile settings just right here and click on the settings. Afterwards, go to the tab to translate and enable this feature. Click allow. And also I recommend enabling show floating icon, but also you have to manage permissions, and in this list find the Google Translate app and enable the toggle to it. So afterwards the floating icon should appear somewhere on your screen. Open the WhatsApp simply and select the chat where you want to translate the message. Just copy the message by holding it. Afterwards, tap on this small three-dot menu, click copy, and tap on this small button for the Google Translate. And here, as you can see, it will translate the current message. To change the translation language, click on the lower section with the language right here. And here, select the language to which you want to translate the message to. For example, let's select Spanish from the search. And this will pretty much translate the message to the desired language. With iPhone, it works just a little bit different. You just copy the message again, hold it, click on the three-dot menu, tap copy, and go to the Google Translate and paste it in the translator just right here. And it will automatically translate the message. So now the translated text appears on your screen and you understand its meaning. And also, as the bonus tip, if you need to reply in a foreign language, use the Gboard keyboard. It has built-in translation feature. Just tap the Google Translate icon while typing and your reply will be automatically translated and inserted into the chat. Super convenient in my opinion. So if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That gives me motivation to create even more useful videos. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.